Hello YouTube, welcome to a new video. Today we are unboxing a new to me Insta360 One RS. Here you can see I got a few things in my package that include a battery base, sticky lens guards, an SD card, the camera itself, and right below it you'll also see a selfie stick. This is the 114 centimeter version. And here we'll go ahead and start with the selfie stick, the invisible selfie stick. Right out of the box, it feels like really good quality for a selfie stick. It is kind of like a metal kind of stick with the light foam hand grip. And to extend the selfie stick, you simply pull on the end. You just pull it out to whatever length you want it at, and it'll just stay there. And here we are with the actual unboxing of the camera itself. We're gonna cut around the edges, the blade. Here included in the box is the camera itself with the 4K boost lens, the 360 mod lens, a battery base, and in the box below it we have a USB-C cable to charge the camera and a few other accessories. We got some stickers. One's a clear white sticker and the other yellow Insta360 sticker, a cleaning cloth, also stamped with Insta360, user guide and other manuals, just random paperwork you always get. A little pack of silica gel. We get the carry case, so you could put the camera in and use it with GoPro thumb screw mounts. This case is also a quick release. When you push down both sides of the case, the little red buttons, the flap will open up. You also have the 360 camera cover, lens cover. You just slip it over the lens and you'll have both lenses cleaned and covered. And here in this baggie we have the thumb screw and thumb screw mount to to attach the camera cage for it. Here's a up close look of the 360 lens. This can go up to 5.7K at 50 frames per second, if I'm not mistaken. And here is the 1RS module with the 4K boost lens. And since this is a modular camera, all you have to do to separate the boost lens and swap it out for the 360 lens is to just pull the camera apart. It's practically like building with Legos. And to put on the battery, you'll see that the little gold tips on both sides, and you just match them up, click them together, and you have the camera fully built. Here's what the camera looks like, just fully built together with the 4K boost lens, little 360 of it. To remove the battery from the camera, there's this little notch on the battery itself that you have to pull back and hold back to be able to remove it. And this is what the 1RS control module looks like with the 360 cam. This is what the 360 lens cover looks like. Easy to just slip on, slip off. Here we are opening up the battery pack, or the extra battery base that I got with the camera. Another important side note that I should have gotten along with the camera was the dual battery base charger, fast charge hub thing. That way I could charge 2 batteries at once quickly and not have to have the camera just hooked up to USB-C. And this is what the battery looks like, same as the other one. They were rather small in my hand. I was expecting them to be a little bit bigger. Really, I was expecting the whole thing to be just a little bit bigger, but it's still kind of a beast. Here we're just opening up the sticky lens guards. The lens guards are removable themselves. Like, you could stick them on, and whenever you want to take them off, just take them off. It comes with extra stickers to put on the lens guards. Here we're moving on to some accessories I got with the camera from Amazon. I'll have those linked in the description. These are just some suction cup mounts that I got. This first box that we're opening up is a tri suction cup mount, or 3-cup suction cup. It comes in 3 parts: suction cup mount itself, some screws, and the mount. Opening it up and all that, you see how easy it is. Looking at the suction cups. And now to the next accessory, which is a single suction cup mount. Here they gave us a lot of little ball heads that we could swap out if we need to. A lot of them don't look like the kinds that we need, or the kinds that I would need, since this is also used for dash cams, or different dash cam mounts. The suction cup itself already has one pre-installed, so there's no need to really put another one on. This is what one of the ball heads look like. And it also comes with a GoPro thumb screw mount. Just screwing that on, and then you can just watch me here fiddle around with it, trying to figure out how to use it. I'd like to thank everyone for watching this video. Like and subscribe, comment, share the video. See you in the next one. Peace.